Yeah, Greg, if you do that, I'll become your salesperson. You don't have to work anymore.
There you go.
And we'll become millionaires, millionaires.
Be partners first.
So not a lot.
No. Like I said, 2 ounces, 40 square feet.
So just one spray.
Yeah. You'll be
What
able
happens
to.
if you touch it with your skin?
Nothing.
Okay.
I mean, the water is nothing but soap and sealer.
Okay.
But the solvents, solvents can penetrate. So,
Yeah.
But I've been doing this for 15 years now, and the only thing.
No, the only reason, I asked, because
I don't have it done. This is what it starts to do. It's already transferred.
Yeah.
It's catalyzed. Okay, so you wait till it's half dry. You see we're getting 50-50 in here.
Yeah.
Okay. And this one, you see that half?
Yeah.
It's the one we invented for marble trade.
And that's how you play with your hand, or
Yeah.
is there a brush or something?
You can use the blanket. The reason we use the hand is we were talking about penetrating osmosis. You actually want to force the chemical into the pores.
Okay.
And if you were doing it in your shop, use a roller and a squeegee.
I was going to say a squeegee or something.
Yeah, just squeegee it off. Get it.
Have a good one.
The one I just did. So this solidifies it instantly. Normally we
So
use,
you're putting a little bit more of that.
this is a different kind. This
Yes.
is
No, just, yeah.
So this catalyzes the permaseal was the last one.
Yeah.
Because this is a super penetrant, and it'll get through anything. You can see there's no repelling whatsoever. It's going through all the sealers. No penetration.
Yeah, no
It's just
penetration
floating.
as much, yeah.
See how this one's like that?
Yeah.
So we got some. And see, that's one of the reasons that I did multiple step process. The first chemical I used was a large molecule with medium molecule. So I get into every kind of process. Because, if you use a 511, it's got to be going into a very large poured product.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it sits on top and wipes off.
Yeah.
And that's the difference between using a system like this and just grabbing the sealer off the shelf and hoping you got the right kind. Oh, it smells different. It's a methanol, and what it does is it frees a carbon molecule out of the silica and forms a double covalent bond and locks itself in as a piece of diamond inside the stone. So we've actually converted this. Now I'm going to try this, and that blocks any penetration from getting in, especially on granite.
So the marble, you're done with the marble? That's it? You're not putting nothing else on the marble?
I've got 2 more coats on the marble,
Okay.
and I've already done this one on the marble, so I'm just waiting. You can see right here, it's not getting in.
Yeah. It's just on top, just beating over.
It's just beating up.
Yeah.
And I also use this as what we call a leak detector to see if I need any misses, whatever.
Yeah.
It'll solve that for
Yeah,
me.
because it's just beating most of it.
All right. Repair, clean and shine, and it puts the repellent polymer on the surface. And this has lasted outdoors up to 4 years at a time without losing its polish, without breaking down. And the only way to clean this stuff off is with brake cleaner. It's that strong. Its carrier is so dense, a regular towel cannot remove it. You have to use microfiber towel. And then you get the final cleaning. Pebble.
There's a pebble. I think we can get it on Caesar stone. I mean,
I told you he was the man to talk to.
You directed me right. Granite Shield. And Caesar Stone, Silas Stone came in and started kicking my ass. And I go, you know, if granite were non-porous and maintenance free, we can sell more. So I just started looking around, and I'm kind of what you call a fix-it guy. So I came across a product that seals glass, and
said and done, you know, you send somebody out and everything. Who's
better?
Huh?
Who's better to send out?
Yeah, that's just.
so you
So,
feel the difference.
How much is it? $6 for counter?
yeah.
Makes it softer? How long does it take to cure?
Instant.
How long does it take you to do a whole kitchen?
An hour, 2 hours at the most.
$600.
I'm rather fast.
It was $360 on 60.
Look at this part though, it just bubbles up. It's like
This out on marble. Once it's sealed with this product, you can sell it like this. The sealer, you know, if you send him, the sealer will prevent staining. If you drop a red wine, it will etch your marble, but it will not stain it.
Yes.
And they have a kit where they can go back and reseal it. So if it happens again, it will etch it, but it will not stain.
so basically
Scotch-Brite pad, so you can pour vinegar on it and etch it. Yeah,
Yeah.
send me out.
It will not stain.
Well, let me put it this
Yeah.
way. In 3 hours, I earn between.
So it's
crazy.
like a board that goes between.
or it bubbles up.
Yeah, and watch this.
Where suddenly. all
Now the only
time-
problem we ever have is
Right.
people protected
So
burns.
let me figure out how to use it.
You know how a lot of fabricators. Okay, I'm working. Well, you can see what I can do.
Yeah.
That's a.